Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Pocket Change Red puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Brian Cran and made by Puzzled by Piker. The Pocket Change Red has difficulty level 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove the coin that is hidden inside of the box. The Pocket Change Red is a part of a Pocket Change puzzle series. All puzzles from this series are 3D printed, they are quite well made, and there are different puzzles of different difficulty levels, where the red puzzle is the most difficult one with difficulty 10 out of 10. When you take the puzzle in your hands, first thing that you notice is that you can move this inner part left and right, and there is no other moves. There is an opening here where you can see the coin, but you can't move any other parts, and you have to find a way how to remove the coin. If you like the Pocket Change Red puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first, what you have to find is that you can open this top part. If you push right here on one of the sides, you can try to push on the other side, but nothing happens. You push on the other, and you will notice that you can remove this part. And here is the fun begins. Probably if you're watching this video now, you spent hours, maybe days trying to figure out the solution and didn't succeed. That's why you came back to see how to solve the puzzle. There are two magnets in this part of the lid. There are two more magnets here, and what all people do when they solve the puzzle, they notice the magnets right away and they start putting the lid all around the puzzle, trying to open the box and remove the coin. But you can do it for hours, days and weeks, but nothing will happen, since you don't have to use this lid, you don't have to use any magnets. The puzzle is much more fun. You will also notice that when you move this part left and right, and the puzzle is upside down, this piece gets stuck on one of the sides, on the left or right. But again, that's nothing about the solution. The actual solution is very simple, but very hard to find. So what you have to do is to put your finger in this opening and just push really hard. And you will notice that you can remove this part. It was held by two magnets. Now you can remove the coin. It is that simple. If you push it on the opposite side, you won't be able to remove it, but when you push it here, you will be able to remove this part. The inner piece is made from two parts and they are connected by very strong magnets. It is quite unusual for a puzzle where you have to force to solve it. Here you have to push quite hard, but that is the solution, and it is very difficult to find it. If you like the Pocket Change Red puzzle and you want to try other puzzles from Pocket Change series, or just any other puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.